Hey, hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Aptitude Class Guru. In this video, we are going to discuss about InfyTQ registration process for the batch of 2023 passed out batches. So it's a great opportunity for 2023. So in this video, we are going to discuss about registration process. So step-by-step registration process we are going to discuss, and what are the exam patterns and what is the eligibility criteria and what are the exam dates. You have to note it down. So all these details is going to be discussed in this video, so try to watch this entire video. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I'll surely give you the replies for your corresponding questions. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Jarvis, you there?
At your service, sir.
So the link is given in the description of this below of this video, so try to go to the description of this video and you will find a link for the InfyTQ registration. If you click on that link, you will redirect to this page. Here you can see sign in and registration options. So if you already registered, you can directly go on through the sign in option, but we are going through the complete registration process, so I'm starting with registration. So press on the registration and you will rewrite to this page. So try to give your first name. So I'm just giving here my name and some last name, and email address I'm giving aptitudeclassguru@gmail.com. so password you can create anything and press on register. You will get registered. So when you register for the first time, they will send you a verification email to your corresponding email ID, whatever you are entered in the registration mail. So I am also opening my corresponding email account. So this is my email account. So you can see here InfyTQ has sent me our verification mail. Press on the link. So your email is valid. So click here to proceed. Just press on the proceed button and your email address has been verified. So now you can log in. So I'm just closing this window and I am going back to my previous page. So here you can see sign in. In sign in, you have to give your register email and you have to enter the corresponding password and you can say sign in. So you already verified and you are registered, so you will directly sign in this page. So after signing into the page, they ask you for some more details of yours. So let's wait for this. So English, okay, so you need to read. If you are required, you can read all the information they are provided, and finally we have to press this agree button, obviously. So I agree the terms and condition and accept. So after loading, we have to enter our personal details. So Mohan already entered, KTK I'm entering here, the mobile number I'm just randomly entering a dummy number here. Why? Because I am not eligible for this actually. So for your clarification only, I'm just entering here. So I'm entering graduation. So whatever you are completed the corresponding courses, like see Bachelor of Administration, Bachelor of Business Management, Computer Application, whatever your corresponding graduation you can apply. And I'm Bachelor of Technology, so I'm just pressing a Bachelor of Technology, and country obviously India, and state, when coming to the state, I am from Andhra Pradesh, so I entered Andhra Pradesh. So whatever the institution you are completed your graduation, you can enter this. So I'm entering some Aditya Engineering College. So specialization, when come to specialization, I have done in electronics. So yeah, it's getting like electronics and communication engineering. You can choose any one of the options among those specialization according to your branch. And obviously we need to, this is for 2023 batch, so you need to enter year of completion as 2023. Okay, so submit. Your profile is updated. Done. So we have completed our profile updation. Now after this, for the 2023 past batch, you need to go to the programs, and in this programs you need to go for Infosys certification tab. So press on it, you will redirect to this, and you need to register for this. You can register now here. So before going to registration of this certification course, I would like to tell you what are all the credentials. So as you know, the eligibility criteria of this is BE BTech, ME MTech, MSc, MCA and MCM students of graduation in 2023 can apply. And there is a 2 rounds, which is a certification round and advanced round. So I'm just pressing on register now. So when you register now, you have to upload your profile picture also. So you have to be ready with your corresponding profile picture. So I'm just uploading a profile picture here. So I'm just randomly picking a profile picture, so it will be uploaded. So I'm just taking a dummy picture of DP. So here you can see, and you can enter your date of birth. So I'm randomly entering some date of birth here, and reference email ID, no, all the details were completed. So submit. So all the details, it need to be yours only. So okay, I pressed on okay. So profile is updated. Congrats, you have been registered for Infosys certification. So we have successfully enrolled for the registration, and next we have to book the corresponding slots for the examination. So first of all, you need to choose a preferred language like Java or Python. So I suggest, for me it is Python, and date of the examination you can choose February 6, 7, 8, 9, any of these 4 days. So I'm choosing 6th, and you can choose slot wise, either 10 a.m. or 4 p.m. I am choosing 10 a.m. and you can directly book the slot, and they will already pop up with a confirmation this, or you would like to confirm this slot, booking the slots for the corresponding Python. I click on the confirmation. So congrats, your Infosys certification round examination has been scheduled at 10 a.m. on Sunday, February 6th, 2022 in the Python programming language. You will receive the link for the certification round at your registered email ID. So you receive the corresponding link in your registration email ID inbox. So there you can use the corresponding link to write the examination on the February 6th, 10 a.m. on the Sunday. So if you choose 7th, 8th or 9th, depends on your choosing the booking of the slot, they will send you the corresponding links, and you can open that link and you can directly attempt the examination. So this is the registration process of the InfyTQ. So I think everyone understand this, how to register for this, and please go through the exam process of these 2 paragraphs. It is very important to read, and if you want, you can take a screenshot of it and take a look into these 2 paragraphs. What is the certification round, what is the advanced round? If you read it, it will be very easy and you can easily understand. If you still have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section of this below of this video. I'll definitely clear your doubts. Still, if you are facing any difficulties to understand these 2 rounds, please comment in the comment section. I will do a separate video for these 2 rounds. What are the categories, or what are the rounds they are conducting, how they are managing these things. Okay, thank you so much. This is the end of the session. See you soon. Bye bye.